What's going on, guys? So guys, I'm just going to create the contact us page for now. If you just go to the browser, and you can see that we've created the home page, the our project page, the about us page, but we just need to create the contact us page for now. If you just click on the contact us, there isn't any page. This web page is not found. That means we just didn't create it that yet. So now I'm just doing for our own benefit, because I just don't want to create the whole thing again. I just don't want to type these things which is normal and common on all pages. I'm just simply copying, selecting first and control C, copying all the data which is inside the about us page, and just clicking on new button to create a new tab here and pasting all the data of the about us page and saving. But I'm saving with the name of contact us page, contactus.html. But don't forget that you just already linked up the contactus.html page here. Let's just see the mouse pointer with the name. You just linked up the page here in the li in the navigation. So you should be really careful about putting the name. So let's just put the same name. You just put it at the top, the contactus.html, and just click on save. Now I've saved that. So what more I need? I'm just going to the browser, and if I just click now, so the contact us page is there. You can see that the contact us. But as you know that the contact us page is basically about us for now. We just need to delete all these things, the text and the image, because exactly I just don't want them. I just want the form here. So first of all, you know that this is the complete column. I'm just deleting the whole column MD9 by selecting. I've deleted that. And save and go to the browser back and refresh. There is no content, the text and image like that, but the name, the page name is about us. So we just need to delete the page name too. I'm just deleting that, the about us, and making it the contact us. Save. And what more I need? I just need to go to the top to the title area, and in the title we just need to update the about us page into contact us page to contact us, and save it and go to the browser back and refresh. Now you can see that there is about us page and there is too. I'll refresh and you can check both them out. They both are going super awesome. So what more I need? I just need to put the data which I just want for the form just after this contact us page, the page header. So I'm just creating the form tag here, form tag, and there I'm just going inside the form tag. And what I'm just doing, did you remember the basic thing of the Bootstrap we need to know to create a beautiful form in a Bootstrap? Exactly, the div first, and then inside the div, first of all just suggest a class for the div as form group. Awesome. Go inside and just put other things like the label first, label, and inside the label just put like name. I just want a name first, and I just want to make sure that the label will be required. And after that I'm just putting the input type, and here I'm just making it as text. Okay, now if you just want to make it as a Bootstrap styled input, so we have to put a class, you know, that the form control, and save. Now go to the browser back and refresh. Now there is a form control, you can see that. Oh sorry, the input, you can see that, but it's covering the whole ground. It's not looking too much fine, because you know that we just cannot create we should not create a name input or input of text like this too widey. So going back to the notepad, and I'm just adding some limitation to this form, the form tag. I'm making this a column, and I'm just collecting only 6 columns for this form and refreshing. Okay, that is super perfect. Now you can see that. What more I'm just gonna do, I'm just adding another thing, the col. You can understand what I'm just doing, the col MD and offset. Okay, and 3. So basically it will be in a center, because I just made them offset 3, and the column is total 6, and 3 after this 6. So refreshing, now automatically the form is now in a center, looking great and awesome. What more I need? I can do a lot of things, but right now I'm just copying simply the form group, pasting, just okay. Now the second one should be the email. What I'm just doing, you just know perfectly, but the third one should be the comments. So comments, and here for the comments we have to create the text area, not this kind of input. So remove that and create the text area. Pretty awesome, the text area. Go inside, or instead of going inside, just go to the first tag and put the data like the form control, because I just want to make it the Bootstrap styled element. Go back to the browser and refresh. Now the name, the email, and the form, the comment basically. So all them looking perfect. They come in. Go back to the notepad, and I just want to add some raws. And how much raws I'm gonna put? The 10 raws for now. Refresh now. The 10 raws looking perfect and awesome. And the other thing is, you can see that we can stretch this as much as we want. So go back to the notepad and put another thing, the style, and in the style I'm just putting the resize as none. Save and refresh. Now it's not resizable for now, but one thing more we need to add in it. So this form should be validated. I'm going there to the first one, the name area, and adding any space. And what more I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna add here, I'm actually adding the required attribute. Did you remember we just learned that in the HTML5 course, the HTML5 section? By using the required attribute, what more we can do? We can actually make the elements required. Now save and go back to the browser and refresh. Now if I just click on submit, so they won't be submit. But the second thing and the main important thing is, we have to copy the email and we have to paste that there just after the form group. And I'm removing the label for now. And what more I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make the the submit button. So this submit and save and go back to the browser and refresh. There is a button, but you can see that it's not in the button way. So I just need to delete this form control. I'm just making this as the BDN and BDN danger and BDN block. Save and refresh. Now it's in a block mode, in a danger effect, and basically it's working perfectly. But when I just click on it, please fill out this field. I just filled out submit, please fill out this field. That is filled out, but it's going to the comments. Exactly, it's asking me to fill out, but this is not the email format, but it's not giving me the error. That means something wrong there. It should not be the text. I'm removing the text. I'm making it the email. So after this type of email, which is the new HTML5 element, it became submit, now put, and submit, now put. Now it's asking me to the @ sign. I put it the @ now it's telling it's still incomplete, the dot. Now it's telling the dot used at a wrong position. So abc.com. now everything is fine. So basically this is a truly validated element, and now it's asking me to put the comment, and when I just put it the comment, the form has been submitted, and I got the question mark. Exactly, to make this form actually workable, that we have to go on the PHP, which we just didn't learn yet. We will learn the PHP in a PHP section, but right now we just learn to design the form completely in all the ways. So guys, in the next class we will learn some more things. Stay tuned and goodbye.